Racing just is started. We have Lepanto. Break quickly at the start. Hoy, Jasper. Tremendous Ethan mapagkumbaba. Then next on line is Lord of the Sun alongside Out of Time. While Gintong, Gantimpala, is the early trailer run going along for the first turn. We have tremendous Ethan Lepanto alongside. Then comes Hoy Jasper mapagkumbaba out of time Lord of the Sun while Gintong Gantimpala is still racing last half mile distance. They traveled. We have Lepanto moving up on the outside. Hoy Jasper mapagkumbaba is already inside. Tremendous Ethan comes next. Out of time Lord of the Sun while Gintong Gantimpala is still racing last. Zero the far turn. We have Lepanto mapagkumbaba and Hoy Jasper are fighting out for the lead. Tremendous Ethan is racing in fourth. Then comes out of time Lord of the Sun and Gintong Gantimpala is still racing last as they swing for home. We have Lepanto followed by Mapagkumbaba. Hoy Jasper is racing in third. Last 100 meters, we have Lepanto now racing away by about 6 lengths. And finally, it's going to be Lepanto second. Hoy Jasper, Lord of the Sun, mapagkumbaba.